Good morning. For the past 2 decades, I've faced challenges in trying to graduate. Along this journey, I've learned a lot about what it takes to succeed. And today, I want to share the three success secrets that can help anyone thrive in college. These steps are inspired by Maria from Varsity Tutors, who simplified success into three essential actions. Create your plan, organize your plan, and put your plan into action. The, Step one, create your plan. This is where your journey begins. Take time to critically think about what you need to do to succeed. Start by setting SMART goals. Goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Whether it's earning an A or in a challenging course or balancing school with work and family, having a clear plan is key to starting on the right path. Step two, organize your plan. Once you know your goals, break them into smaller, manageable steps. For example, instead of saying, I want to pass my class, focus on daily or weekly actions like completing readings, attending office hours, or preparing for exams. By doing this, you reduce overwhelm and stay task, on track. Even small steps, every small step brings you closer to success. Step three, put your plan into action. This is where discipline and consistency come into play. It's easy to get distracted in college, but staying focused and holding yourself accountable will make all the difference. As Bruce Lee once said, classical mess is when we overcomplicate things. Use what you already know and build on it. You have the right ingredient to success. The key is using them effectively. In closing, success in college doesn't want happen overnight, but it's within reach when you create a plan, organize it, and take action. Remember, it's not just about having a dream, but about turning that dream into reality, one step at a time. Thank you.